What's up, guys? Johnny here. Real quick tip for you today. So, I was doing some research and found out how we, or you, or me, really anyone who wants to give it a try, can make $1 a day every single day, 365 days a year. Now, it's real simple, guys. So, if you want to hear about it, just keep watching this. So, in order to make $1 every single day passively, which means no work is required ever. You just have to set it up first, take about maybe 10 minutes. You invest $5,000 into the stock market, and you're going to purchase dividend producing stocks. Now, you're going to want to get a stock with a 8% dividend yield, which is pretty, it's a bit high, but it is possible. There are some companies out there that pay 8%, 10%, and even up than that. But let's just use this as an example. 8% of the $5,000 is $400 every year. Now, $400 divided by your 12 months would be $33.33 every single month. Now, you divide that again by, say 30 days, and you get $1.09 every single day just by owning stocks in the stock market. Now, these are monthly paying companies. Some are quarterly paying companies. But if you do invest your $5,000 in a company that pays monthly dividends, you would be expected $33.3 every single month for the rest of your life. Now, imagine if you were to compound all the money you're making and reinvest it into your portfolio. Imagine how much money you could make every day after 10 years of compounding that money. If you guys know the answer, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Reach out to me. Let me know what you think. If you like this, go ahead and share it with a friend or a family member. All right, guys, have a great day, great weekend. I'm off to go do something fun.